Hi everyone, Chef Adam here, and we're gonna make some walnut date cookies. Yeah, one of my favorites. Back in the day, and actually still do, I'd like to take these medjool dates and pit them, and then put a walnut inside and just eat it. And it's really good. It's good with pecans too. But we have the ingredients laid out and ready to go. Very simple recipe. 2 cups of walnuts, 1 cup of pitted dates. Always be sure to pit your dates. You can get into some big trouble, ruin your food processor or blender by blending dates with pits in them. The pits will win. So pit your dates. Here's a cup of pitted dates. I have about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, some Himalayan salt or sea salt, just a pinch, 1/8 of a teaspoon, and then I have some orange zest here as well. Okay, so for those of you familiar with orange zest, you know what to do, but for those of you that don't know, orange zest is just the outer rind, the outer peel of the orange. So, you know, get organic oranges. You don't want to be zesting kind of the pesticides into your desserts. You can use a zester on any of your citrus fruits, or you can use the box shredder, which a lot of people have in their kitchen. They use it to shred carrots and things like that, but there is a fine blade on there for doing things like cinnamon and nutmeg and citrus zest. So all of these ingredients are going to go into the food processor. We're going to process them with the S blade. Here we go. Boop. Zesty. Okay, little pulse. All right, let's see our cookie batter consistency. All right, so depending on how moist and juicy your dates are, and you will get a consistency, you want to be able to push it together and form it into cookies. So this is a little crumbly. Now you could make a cookie with this, kind of like that, these little balls, but as you can see, it's a little crumbly. So I had on standby, it's a little bit of water. You could also use almond milk or coconut milk. You can taste the sweetness as well. And if you wanted it to be a little sweeter, you could add as a liquid sweetener like agave or little maple syrup. That'll help it bind. Sweetness is good. So what we're going to do is add like no more than a tablespoon of water. So just like that. And now you'll notice when I process this up that it'll bind. That little bit of liquid is all it takes. It's starting to clump, as you can see. now the dough. There. And all it took was that little bit of moisture, a little bit of liquid. There's our Roman cookies. Walnut date cookies, super easy. Another fun thing you can do is roll this in coconut or in the chocolate powder, cacao powder. You could roll it in cinnamon. Just have fun with it. You could also roll it in like some crumbled nuts. So enjoy. Thanks for joining us. Check back again. We'll have more fun recipes. Leave comments below. Love ya. Be safe. Keep it live. Cheers.